Features. Here is an easy way to mount a CB antenna on your Rubicon Wrangler or JK series. This spare tire CB antenna mount kit will fit your need. This mount installs on 2007 and newer using existing bolts on the spare tire rack with no holes to drill. 18 feet CB coax is included with a detachable place 259, so there are no big holes to drill. The mount fits behind the spare tire using the existing mounting hardware. Made with rugged polished 3003 improved strength alloy aluminum. Includes insulated 66 nylon spacer washers. Works with 2007 and newer Wrangler Rubicon and Liberty. Includes 38 in X24 threaded stud. Top reviews from the United States. Great quality mount parts with fast shipping. Nice thick aluminum mounting plate. Good quality cable with a smaller FME connector for easy cable routing. The firering on the antenna side is nice slim low profile design. I love it. Shipping was speedy. I ordered this along with a couple other Amazon Prime items, however this antenna mount kit was not eligible for Prime. I selected free shipping for the antenna mount Prime 2-day for everything else. I was surprised to see this everything else show up on the same day. Mount kit shipped USPS priority, other items were UPS.